Good morning, students. Yesterday we saw about the principles of reversibility of path of light. So why the reversibility of path of light is there? Here it is applying the second law of refraction. That means when the light enters into the different mediums. So here from the rarer medium to light is entering into the water medium, and then is entering into the mirror, and then it is again entering into the rarer medium. So it is light is refracting so many times. Okay, when the light is refracting means not bending of light, na? When the light enters into the another medium, from one medium to another medium, light always it will be bending. So when the many refractions are taking place, afterwards automatically it will be again going in the same path, it will be going back. How it comes? So like this, in the same paths it goes back. It is called as a reversibility of path of light. It traces the same path. Traces means it is going into the same path of light. So it is the reversibility of path of light. We saw in the second law of refraction, mu2 is equal to mu1. Otherwise sin mu1 is equal to sin mu2. That means speed of light in the second medium by speed of light in the first medium. Okay, that means speed of light is going back from second medium to the first medium. That is why speed of light in the second medium by speed of light in the first medium. So it is applying the second law of refraction. Okay, so this is the one. So here we are going to study about the critical angle and total internal reflection. Critical angle and total internal reflection. So here this critical angle and total internal reflection will help us to know why some changes are taking place. For example, when we are in the summer season, especially when it is hot now, when we are going on the road, from afar when we see, we feel like there is water on the road, but when we go near, there is no water. So all these are because of what? All these are because of the critical angle and total internal reflection. First we study what is the critical angle. Okay, so now here you see the angle, na? So light is entering from the, you see the arrow mark. If it is like this means going this way. If the arrow mark is down means coming this way. Okay, now if you see this one, I means what? Incident ray. So R means refracted ray. Okay, when we study about the reflection, this small r is becoming the reflected ray, but now this is the refracted ray. Okay, so here when it is going, light is going from denser medium to the rarer medium. Denser medium is what? Mirror. And rarer means air. Medium means entering into that medium. Okay, denser is thickness. Denser, mirror. Okay, in the, so light is going from where? From the denser medium to the rarer medium. Okay, so here it is at the surface of the boundary of the two mediums only bending law light will come. It is called as a refraction. Okay, so here we will study now what is the critical angle. Okay, so for a particular value of incident angle, emergent refracted ray will graze through the surfaces separating both the mediums. This angle is known as the critical angle of that material. Okay, so the value of incident angle, emergent refracted ray will graze through the surface of separating both the mediums. This angle is known as the critical angle of that material. Okay, now here this incident ray is emerging. Emerging means coming out of the denser medium to the rarer medium. Okay, so it is coming from here to here, emerging, separating. Okay, so here when it is go to the dense rarer medium only, we can see that one, it is there the critical angle. So what is the critical angle? When light passes from denser medium like glass to the rarer medium like air, it moves away from the normal. In this situation, angle of refraction R is more than angle of incidence. Okay, so small angle of small r is greater than small I. If this mark is this side, if it is this side means facing R angle is more, I angle is less. So as the angle of incident is increased, the value of angle of refraction R also increases. At some time, angle of incident value will be such that the value of angle of refraction would be angle or 90 degree. In this situation, refracted ray will pass touching the surface separating both the mediums. At this situation, okay, for example here, so when it is light is going from denser medium to the rarer medium, refracted ray is away from the normal. Okay, so here also incident ray is also away from the normal. Okay, so when it is away from the normal, when the angle is increasing, so that is why if the incident ray is angle increases means refracted ray angle also increases. Okay, understand? If the what is that, incident angle is increasing means refracted angle also increases. Okay, so here what is the critical angle means when the light is passing from denser medium to the rarer medium, if the bending of light, the refracted ray, if it is touching the surface of the both the mediums. For example, like this, here till here water is there. Okay, here fully what is there? Water. So it is the denser medium. So here what is there? Air. Air means rarer medium. So light is passing from the water to, so light is passing nowhere from water to the air. So when it is, air is going from denser medium to the rarer medium, if it is touching the surface of the both the mediums, air medium and water medium, in between it is the surface. So when it is touching the surface of the medium, so this is the normal ray. So this ray, it will be how much? This refracted ray will be how much? 90 degree. In this case, this incident angle is called as a critical angle. Once again, when the light ray is passing from water, that means denser medium to the, or glass medium, any medium, to the rarer medium, when it is touching the surface of the both the mediums, it is called as a, so it will have a 90 degree. That time when the refracted ray has the 90 degree, that time this incident angle is called as a critical angle. Okay, what it is called? Critical angle. Okay, understood? When this refracted ray becomes 90 degree, that time this incident angle will called as a critical angle. When it comes, when the light ray is passing from the denser medium to the rarer medium. Okay, so it is called as a critical angle. So I means incident ray, small c will tell us the critical angle, or we can say theta c. Okay, critical angle. Therefore, critical angle is that value of incident angle in the denser medium for which angle of refraction is 90 degree in the rarer medium. Okay, so critical angle means when the refracted ray has the 90 degree in the rarer medium, that time the angle in the denser medium, the incident ray angle in the denser medium is called as a critical angle.